Moi kaikki! In this video, I will be going over some of the words that you all have found the hardest to pronounce in Finnish. So over on my Instagram account, a few weeks back, I asked you guys what are some of the hardest words in Finnish to pronounce in your opinion. So I collected a list that you guys sent me and we will be going over those words today. If after this video you are still finding some of these words really difficult to pronounce and you want some live feedback from a Finn, then you can head over to italki's website and book lessons with Finnish tutors who can help you with your pronunciation in real time. Just use my link to sign up for italki for free, and you can browse through all the Finns that are offering conversational classes. Together with your tutors, you can practice pronouncing these hard words during conversations. Italki is flexible, so you can take classes anywhere, at any time, and pay for as many classes as is convenient to your schedule. Christmas is also just around the corner, so if you know a friend that also wants to learn Finnish or any other language, you can refer them to italki, and in return you can earn 10 euros of italki credit. Just use my link in the description box to start. Hey Isabella, so I remember you told me not long ago that you wanted to continue practicing your Finnish but didn't really have anyone to practice with. I just wanted to tell you about italki, which is an online language learning platform where you can connect with various Finnish teachers and tutors and learn one-on-one with them. Great, I'm glad you're excited about it. I actually have a referral code, so if you check your email in the next 5 minutes, I will send you a link where you can sign up to italki. Chat to you later! Make sure you also leave a comment of one of the hardest Finnish words that you know. Let's start practicing. The first word we will go over is aamuyöllä. Aamuyöllä. So this word is a yhdyssana. Yhdyssana. So aamu means morning. Yö means night. The llä is meaning in. So in the aamuyö, aamuyöllä, aamuyöllä. So what this means is during the middle of the night. So aamuyö would translate to small hours, the time between something like midnight and 6 a.m. Like literally the middle of the night is aamuyö. So aamuyöllä would be in the middle of the night, in the small hours of the night. Aamu, aamu, yö, yö, yöllä, yöllä. Aamu, yöllä, yöllä. Aamu, yöllä. Do you find this one tricky? Aamu, yöllä, aamu, yöllä. Okay, it is a bit of a mouth exercise. Aamu, yöllä. The next one you guys submitted was Pohjoinen, which means north. Pohjoinen. 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 Okay? North. Lyijy, which means lead metal, a type of metal. In English it would be lead. In Finnish, this is called lyijy. So ly, ly, ly. You really need to know your U's here well. Lyijy, y. Okay? Lyijy, 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 lyijy. Lyijy is a type of metal. Okay? Lyijy, 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 lyijy. The next word is höyry, which means steam. Höyry. Okay, this also has a lot of U in it, so you need to know your U well. Höyry. Okay, we have the U, and then we have R, which in Finnish is R, and then U again. So höyry. O. Remember, if you have trouble with this O combination, go check the video out that I made about this before. O, and then R. Remember to roll your R's. Practice rolling your R's if this is difficult. Höyry. 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 Höyry, which means steam. Höyrysauna. Steam sauna. Höyry. Rovaniemi. Okay, Rovaniemi is a city in northern Finland. It's where Santa Claus or joulupukki lives. So Rovaniemi, the R at the front is rolled, as are all the R's in Finnish. So Rovaniemi. 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 The next one is Yöpöytä. So this has Ö and Ö both in the same word. So again, you should be confident with this letter combinations. Yöpöytä means night table. So let's just say it slowly together. So we have Yö and then pöytä. Yöpöytä. 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 So this person mentioned that this word is hard because it has triple double letters in a row. So we have two letters, and that word is kuunnella. Kuunnella. So as you can see, you have U, and N, and then LL at the end. So kuunnella is to listen to something. Kuunnella. Kuunnella. The double comes in between the N's and the L's. Kuunnella. And remember, in Finnish, with the double letters, you just stay on that sound a tad bit longer. So can you hear the difference between kuunnella and kuunnella? Kuunnella versus kuunnella. Okay, that's wrong. It sounds weird. Kuunnella. Just stay on that letter a little bit longer. Rather say it too long than too short. That's my advice to you. It sounds better if you exaggerate it a little bit longer rather than leave it too short. Okay? Kuunnella. 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 Okay? Kuunnella. Kuunnella. How I would naturally say it in like a natural pacing would be kuunnella. 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 The next one is a fun word, Pöllö, which means an owl, like the bird. Pöllö. Pöllö. So we have double L, and then again. So pöllö. Pöllö. And stay on the L a little bit longer. The double is in the middle. Pöllö. 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 An owl. Pöllö. 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 The next word you guys sent was Keskuslämmitys, which means central heating. Keskus, central, center. Lämmitys is heating. Keskus. Keskus. Lämmitys. Lämmitys. Keskus. 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 Lämmitys. Keskuslämmitys. 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 Then we have kännykkä, which means cell phone. Kännykkä. 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 Okay, do you hear the nykkä? You're not saying nykkä, but you kind of just listen to what I'm saying and then try to imitate. Okay, so it's not kännykkä, it's kännykkä. Like you put your mouth already in the position of saying K, you wait a tiny bit and then you say the K. That's how you kind of pronounce the double K in Finnish. So kännykkä, 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 kännykkä. Next one is Kuningas, which means king. Kuningas. This word is kind of special in Finnish because we don't have a lot of G's in general in Finnish. You'll mostly find them in loan words. So therefore you can tell that the word kuningas is a loan word to Finnish. Kuningas. 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 Kuningas, which means king. Okay, we're almost done. So the second to last word is Itsenäisyyspäivä, which is Independence Day, December 6th. Joulukuun 6. päivä is Finnish Itsenäisyyspäivä. Itsenäisyyspäivä. So itsenäisyys is independence, päivä is day. Itsenäisyyspäivä, Independence Day. Itsenäisyyspäivä. Itsenäisyyspäivä. Syys, same as syyskuu, September, päivä. Itsenäisyyspäivä. 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 Okay? The last word is to juggle, which in Finnish technically there are two words for this. Both are loan words, and therefore that's why there's been a bit of discussion about which word is the right one to use, but I guess technically you can spell this word to juggle in Finnish in two ways. One of them is the word that was submitted to me, which is Jonglöörata. Jonglöörata. And people say it's a difficult word because it is an exception to vowel harmony, because you do have combined with a instead of with a, which is how in vowel harmony it should go. But Jonglöörata is to juggle spelled in one way. The other way is Jonglöörata with e instead of ö. So these are the two words that I think they're both accepted as how to spell to juggle in Finnish. So just pick one that you like and stick with it. I think people have tried to move away from Jonglöörata to Jonglöörata just because it's grammatically better. But you will see both of them floating around online and in texts. So at least to me personally, I don't care which one you use. But for pronunciation practice, we'll choose the harder one. So Jonglöörata. 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 Okay? Jonglöörata. Let me know in the comments which word you found the most difficult to pronounce, and also if you have any other words in Finnish that you find hard to say, and maybe I'll make a part 2. Maybe. Ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!